Welcome to today's video, everyone. In today's episode, we're going to be working on my SSR wheel faces, which I need to scuff, I need to paint, and you guys are finally going to see the color and design pick that I'm doing for these. It's going to be really unique, and it's actually going to tie into the way that I'm going to do my livery on the side of the 240. Yeah, and then I've also been working on cleaning the KA. I got a bunch of degreaser and I just did a light spray down this morning. Scuffing these Johnnies so that I can paint them. And yeah, it's gonna be really cool, I think. I've also got Shameless running on my laptop, so I'm gonna watch that while I scuff these and just kind of chill, because why not? Alright, so about half an hour, 20 minutes later of scuffing with 320 grit sandpaper, I have the first two faces done. I'm gonna do just these two first to just see the results and everything, and then we'll see how they turn out, and then do the other two after that, probably tomorrow. But for the purpose of showing you guys, we'll just do two right now. Just gonna hose these down, get all the dust off and everything, let them dry, and then we will go and prime them and then paint them. Fully scuffed the wheels. They look great. They're nice and dry now. I sprayed them off and everything. And I can't find my primer right now. So we're just gonna go straight to the color, because this technically is a paint and primer, but this is what we're using, this Seafoam green. And just so you know, this is not the end of it. There's going to be much more, but this is just the start right here. So I'm going to shake this guy up, and then we're going to lay some paint down right now, and I'm really excited to see how these are going to look. For part two of this wheel job, we are going to be making stencils. It's full-blown craft time. I'm doing something a little bit different. You guys remember from some of the old videos with my Legacy, when it was gray, I had the paint splattered wheels. So I like doing stuff like that. So I went and got these stencils, and we're gonna be cutting out these 3 different stencils to use on the wheels, and you guys will see those shortly, what color we're going to be using. But I'm going to make the stencils right now. I'm going to use this box, this brewhouse box, to basically cover up most of the wheel, and then just have like a hole for the stencil so I can kind of lay it on, do the little spray bomb, and then move to the next spot. And it's going to be just like randomly all over. So yeah, it should be interesting. There we have the first stencil. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with 2 different boxes, for the small one and the medium sized one. And then we'll have 3 different sizes of palm trees to throw on the wheels.
Waiting
so both wheels look snazzy, and now all I need to do is throw on some clear. So we're gonna use the same kind of clear as I did for the engine bay. I'm gonna just leisurely spray that on, and yeah, these things should be nice and glossy and look really good. And then once I'm done these, I'm gonna finish the other two, and then we'll be able to rebuild the wheels. Hey guys, so I ended up taking an excursion while the wheels were drying and everything to go and pick up my hardware. I decided not to go with fancy titanium dress-up hardware because I had bad results with it last year, and I just decided to end up going with stainless steel socket caps, and these are going to be way more than strong enough. So I have all the bolts and all of the nuts here, so I'm pretty excited about that. It means we can start to assemble the car. I just got those from the bolt supply house, and the guys there were actually very, very helpful, and I heavily recommend going there if you need nuts and bolts. And it was actually right beside Kanji's work, the auto protectors. So I got to say hi to Kanji for a little bit and check out his car with his new wheels and everything. I'll throw in a little montage, some clips of his car now. At the house now, and I've got the front wheels chilling right here. We got the barrels right there and the outer lips right there. I just cleaned out the barrels. They were literally black before, so I used some engine degreaser and a Scotch-Brite pad to clean those guys up. They look pretty good, but my lips really badly need a polish job. So what I'm gonna go do now is, because they're off the faces aren't in them, they're a lot easier to polish. So I did a quick little test right here, and it just super quick, and it turned out really good. So I'm gonna throw these down and polish them up really quick, make them look good, and then we're gonna start to get everything ready to build these.
Making some room for the Poo 40.
Damn. Dude, it looks so good.
Some natural light on there.
Whew.
Yeah, shit. You should probably.
Look with the natty.
I was gonna say, take a door outside and look. That'd
Yeah.
be mint.
They're taking the trunk out.
Yeah,
Fuck.
yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. As you can see, we got the two other rear faces here are about ready to get the stencils put on them. And then we actually have the two front wheels sitting there, and they've been partially assembled. Thanks for watching everyone. See you in the next one. Pizza!